guys, today we're going to open a Poopsie
Surprise.
A Poopsie Surprise. So let's get started.
The Poopsie Surprise unicorn.
We just had to get off the tape. That almost fun. Yay!
What do you think you're gonna get, Maya?
I think I'm going to get the Rainbow Girl.
Ooh, I think everybody wants the Rainbow Girl,
Yeah.
don't you?
Oopsies. Try to get this off. Try to
Oh
get
yeah,
this
you
off.
have to put it up. You have to pull it, don't you?
Yeah. So guys, I just opened it. So one finger. This one. Oh, here's the line bag. So this is
Ooh, which that one is? Can I see? Put it. It's the unicorn shimmer pack.
yeah. Let's take
There's
this out.
one.
Here's this one.
Which one was the other one, Maya? Ooh,
Diaper, I
nice.
think.
Yeah.
So guys, what is this name?
So the first one was the unicorn shimmer.
Unicorn shimmer and the unicorn food
Ooh.
and the keychain.
Ooh.
We'll see the keychain first, but we're going to see that after we open this. More toilets!
Which one was that one? Can you turn it around? Oh, it's the diaper.
Diaper.
You got the diaper. Who do you think you're gonna get? Oh. We'll see. Keep turning.
More way back.
Another one. Which one was? Oh, that's the bottle.
Bottle, yay.
Yay.
Put them all in a excuse cake.
Yeah, turn it around.
More way back.
Let's see. Okay, turn it around. Let's see. Which one was the other one? Ooh, nice.
Okay, guys, look. We got the unicorn shimmer,
No, that's the unicorn magic.
unicorn magic.
Ooh, and then you got the shirt.
Yeah, sturdy.
Are you excited, Maya?
There's no more lamets.
There isn't. Now you have to open it. Let's see how we can open it. You have to turn it. Yep, there you go. There you go. Oh, nice.
Okay.
Isn't she cute?
This is to feed her. That's the bottle to make slime.
I can't see. Ooh.
And that's the mixing. That's the spoon to feed her. And then we're going to open one of her stuff.
Nice. Ooh, I'm excited. We have packets of those, huh?
For
How
the
much?
slime!
Ooh.
Look, these are little sprinkles.
That's the unicorn magic, Maya.
Yeah. Unicorn magic to make it so shiny.
Yep.
Let's do this one.
Which one is that one? What do you think you're gonna get? Or you can use the scissors. Nice. Oh, the shirt. What color is it? Pink and green.
Yeah, so cute.
Nice.
So, let's start with this one. Use the scissors! Yay. No.
Oh, the brush. Look at the brush.
Yes, okay.
What else do you think you're going to get?
I don't know.
Those are other packets.
Yeah. Other packets that we haven't opened. What? Okay.
We'll see.
Oh, got it.
Okay. Nice.
Actually, I'm going to open it from top. Did that? Oh, it almost worked. Please.
There you go. That's unicorn food.
Unicorn food.
Yup, unicorn food.
I hope we get the plate.
I hope so too.
Nope, this one is not the plate.
That is the unicorn shimmer. Can you turn it around? Let's see. Yep, unicorn shimmer.
So guys, there was some more in here.
Yeah, more
What?
packets.
I'm excited. Look, these are so many. There's like one. There's
Two,
like one,
two,
two,
three,
three.
4.
All of them. 4 is for that one. And let's see this
I
one.
think that's the keychain.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, it's
There's
so
a little
cute.
bottle that you can open.
Yeah, and what do you
So
do
you
after
can
you
put the slime.
Yep,
So cute. You can put the
it's
slime. You can
adorable. I like the colors.
Look, so we got another one right there, but we actually had to open one. 2 more.
And this is your first Poopsie Surprise unicorn, isn't it, Maya?
Yeah.
Oh, look at her little diaper. It's so cute.
They're so beautiful.
It's adorable. I love her cup.
You can open it,
Yes, you can.
and you can put the slime in here.
Wow.
Why
It's
is it
adorable.
not shaking? So guys, this is my end of my video, and we're going to actually change her. So get this out. Come on, get your hair out. Come on. Your hair has to be all perfect.
We have to bring her out, then change her.
Yeah.
And on your next video, we're going to be learning how to do the slime part.
So guys, I just brushed her. Her looks so cute, huh? So, her's going to be so pretty when you see her. So let's go change her. Guys, this is so exciting! So we had to make her stand up perfectly. Move her hair. So nice! And then we're going to actually move her hair on the back side. So we can put her shirt. So we're going to actually need her toilet to stand. Oopsie! So put her here. There. Uh-oh. Perfect. I think I will have to make her stand. So let's put it on. Move her hair.
Yeah, you got to put on her shirt.
Yeah.
It's exciting. I like her eyes. I like their big eyes. They're cute.
Yeah. Her eyelashes feel like real.
Ooh. And then you have to put on her little diaper. Ooh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Can you turn her around? Oh.
I'm going to sleep with her with Mr. Tigger.
Yeah.
Because they have real hair. So let's put on her diaper. Make her stand up a little bit.
Yep. There you go.
Try to actually...
And they're so cute. The colors, everything that's so glittery and shiny. Oh, you're putting it on the wrong side. Turn it around.
Huh.
There you go.
Come on, little unicorn. Let's try to get you changed. I'm going to feed her.
Gotta give her cup, her little sippy cup.
Yeah, her dad drank real water.
Yep. And on our next video, we're gonna do the slime, right? Yeah. Yep, we are.
And why I always want to play with her, I want to play with her. Come on, little baby. Her letters getting on.
They should make big LOL dolls like that too, huh?
Yeah, like big ones. Evil, guess what? They have LL costumes.
Yeah, they should. Well, they do, right?
Yeah.
For Halloween? Yeah.
So here's her little dark bear. I don't know. Okay, let's put it on still. So guys, we got her all dressed. And here's her little teddy. So we're going to take it out. Put her on my lap. And they're so tiny. You can feed her some food.
Yep.
Glitter. And her got her big mouth. And this is her spoon. I don't know what is that little thing on the middle. So her hair's all perfect. And this is like look. Her is so cute. Like everything I saw.
The colors, the little unicorn she has on top, it's cute and sparkly.
Yeah, guys. So actually, I'm going to brush her because her so cute. So guys, this is going to be at the end of my video. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. And goodbye, guys.
Bye.